Hi everyone, welcome back. This is ashwinirudrakshi. I know it's been a long time that I picked up the camera and hit record. Life got busy, some priority changes, and honestly, I needed some time for myself. But throughout that break, I always thought in my mind of creating content and connecting with you guys. Today, I am here to share what I have done with a small sketch I will be showing you in a minute. Just a second. Yes. So you can see this is my sketchbook and I am working with these beautiful Holbein gouache paints, and I just made a sketch that I thought I would show you and share that with you. Um, this is just not a return to filming and recording. It's a fresh start. I've got new ideas, new goals, lots of content. I'm looking forward to share with you guys. And yeah, whether you've been here from day one or you're just finding this channel now, thank you for being here. You can expect more content and videos behind the scenes and plenty of updates. I'm ready to get back to what I was doing and what I love to do. And I'm excited to share that with you guys. All right, so welcome back again. And if this excites you, what's coming next or what's coming in the videos, make sure you like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what would you like to see in the next video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.